So ladies and gentlemen, we are in our final minutes of preparation ahead of our World Championship. We have a few formal processes and procedures that take place before we get to start time, but we are in the final minutes as we head towards our World Championship. If you are coming into the arena, make your way in and find a seat. There's still some seats right around the top tier. You're welcome to move right across the bridge above the arena. If you are coming in, we are just a few minutes away as we head towards our official start time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final. It is the World Championship 325mm tree felling event. We are live streaming around the world now. We'll do formal introductions for our event. As we bring each of our contestants into the arena, we'll ask that you give them the very warmest of welcomes, and we'll ask each of our competitors as we introduce them to acknowledge as they come in. The first winner of this event was recorded in 1938. And now, almost a century on, the World Tree Championship is a premier event on the Sydney Royal Show program, and it showcases the skill and stamina required to be the best, with just 3 winners recorded in the last 30 years. We'll bring in our competitors. The first to come in, he'll come to tree number 8. He comes from a wood chopping family and at just 23 years of age already has 10 years of chopping under his belt. He was a New South Wales and Australian under-21 team member, the 2022 Sydney Show most successful competitor and Brisbane Ekka most successful competitor. He has an Australia Day Senior Sportsperson of the Year award and now plays an important role as the next generation on the family cattle property. He is a first-time finalist. From Yarrowitch, New South Wales, please welcome Austin Scrivener. He'll come into the number 7 position. He is a well-known Tasmanian axeman competing across disciplines in wood chopping and timber sports. He is a Timber Sports Australian Rookie Champion, has won numerous state titles, won the 300mm tree felling event at Bream Creek, placed in the Tasmanian underhand title and has proved himself as a consistent performer. He is also a first-time finalist. From Sheffield, Tasmania, please welcome Joshua Bakes. We'll bring him into the number 6 tree. He is 19 years old, the youngest of our finalists, but he has already travelled the world and competed across Royal Show and Timber Sports arenas. He is a Canadian Timber Sports National Rookie Champion, a Rookie Academy qualifier and a 6th-generation axeman, competing here at Sydney with his grandfather, father, uncle and cousin. He is another of our first-time finalists. From Magna Bay, British Columbia, Canada, please welcome Jake Hewitt. Coming to the number 5 tree, he is a West Coast Tasmanian axeman who is travelling extensively to compete, winning and finishing on the podium in everything from tree felling to single soaring. He lists adventure and motorcycles among his interests, which he fits in around work as a long-hole driller. He is a returning finalist. From Zeehan, Tasmania, please welcome Riley Sheehan. We'll bring him into the number 4 position. He is an accomplished axeman who is no stranger to tree felling or arenas around the country. He continues to win state and national titles in tree felling and rank highly in the Queensland Axemen's Association Awards. He is a world champion. He is many times a finalist and he is always a podium finisher. From Woodford, Queensland, please welcome Josh Adamson. Coming into the number 3 position, he is an Australian and world tree felling champion, a Canadian Timber Sports champion, 9 times Australian Axeman of the Year and an Australian Axemen's Hall of Fame legend. He is a determined, quiet achiever who followed his father in the sport and now the generation continues. He is 16 times a world champion and he is 15 times a winner of this event. From Canada, via his family home in Wamuran, Queensland, please welcome Mitchell Hewitt. Coming to the number 2 tree, like many of our finalists, he had an axe in his hand at a young age. He cuts across all disciplines, wins titles and finishes on the podium. He is the 2025 Queensland Axemen's Association Axeman of the Year, and he finished as the top performer in both tree handicaps and tree championships. He has been in 8 finals already for the 2026 show and comes into this World Championship final as our reserve champion. From Proston, Queensland, please welcome Brian Wagner. We'll bring him all the way up to the number 1 tree. He has grown up with wood chopping and tree felling and travelled the world competing in Royal Show and Timber Sports arenas, and though he isn't yet 30, has a swag of ribbons and titles to his name. He is a hard worker, running his own business as a professional tree feller and harvester. He is a proud dad to 2 little girls and just happens to be a 5 times winner of this event and our current world champion. From Deloraine, Tasmania, please welcome Daniel Gurr. All the very best of luck, finalists. We do now have the all clear. Stand by for a start.
Competitors, stand to your logs. Get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Well, underway as they start. You watch them put those board holes in, and it will be an exciting event as we promised you. And you're seeing the best of the best, the cream of the cream. And watch how close they start to get up into the first part of this tree. All of them mean business and all want of them to go through. It is a World Championship event. Keep your eye down on tree number 8, Austin Scrivener there from New South Wales. Going up there, if you go a little further, we've got Riley Sheehan from Tasmania. And also we go a little further as we go along. As they get into the top of that tree, they do mean hard hitting. We've also got there Far end, just keep your eye on young Daniel. Daniel's go up there that far end as he puts half into the block. It's 375 development. And if we watch them go into the top of that tree, half will come out, then they will come down. All that holds them is that metal tongue in the springboard. And as we go along, watch with interest. And we will give you some pleasure. If you're from either the country, the town, or you're related, let them know. Watch them spring down on number 2, Brian Wagner. Also right hot on his heels there, Mitch Hewitt. Also keeping up on number 1 there, Daniel, keeping a little bit of distance, getting between them in the middle of the field and down at the front end. Going up at that back end as they start to make their way back up into the tree. Queensland, Tasmania, British Columbia. Now let's give them a little bit of a help along. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a bit of a spiel. With yourself, all the noise you make will carry over the fence into them, and it'll give them that push they need to get to the top. Doing well, we got Brian Wagner again into the top of that tree. Josh Adamson, he's making his way up there. We've also got the Hewitt family there, not forgotten. Again, as we keep going, we're not going to blow for blow. Going to be very close up at that far end too. Tree 2, tree 3. Just see how we keep travelling as they drive up into the top of it. Also keep your eye on tree number 6 up here from the British Columbia, the Hewitt family. Let's give them a bit more noise and help find a result. We're only moments away. Keep your eye on tree number 6, also number 2, number 3 as well. Watch with interest, also number 4. Come on, we're not far away. Will it be 3? Will it be number 6? Will it be number 2? They're driving. Push the waves, every second counts. Watch 3. Watch 2. Brian Wagner's off. Mitchell Hewitt. Come down the line as we do. The judges will make it official. Daniel Gurr is off from Tasmania, up the other end. Still got plenty of tuition going on and mentoring over the fence. Josh Adamson to come. Riley Sheehan. Watching down here with young Austin Scrivener on tree number 8. Let's give them a little bit more noise, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls. We'll find who the next will be. Good size blocks. As every time they put a leverage onto that board, watch it bow. They got all, there we go. We've also British Columbian competitor. Another Hewitt is off, but we continue to make our way. Josh Adamson off. Riley Sheehan, we watch both those. Joshua Bates. Come along the line as we do, and we come down here to Austin Scrivener from New South Wales. See them all through. Tasmania's off. British Columbia's off. Let's get behind Austin. Tasmania is off up the far end. Driving as he is. Good size block, and he's behind you. If he hears you, give him encouragement. Gives him a bit more oomph and adrenaline till he gets to the end. Start to move very shortly. When he gets this off, we want to be able to hear you right across Sydney. Judges will go through and they will make it official. We'll find our winner and we'll get a quick word from them, and then we'll do some presenting. One more time. We know you loved it and we want to hear you over in the main ring. Count to 3. Give them all some acknowledgement. 1, 2, 3. Watching the best of the best World Championships, and we'll see how we travel now for presenting and finding our winner. As well as that, we'll have somebody to do the official presenting down in our main stage area under the big screen. Just giving you a courteous reminder also, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, if you have another commitment or you're leaving, just be mindful too of the steps and where you're putting your feet. A lot of people, volume of people, we want you to go carefully. Thank you for being a part of that World Championship tree felling, but as you move, just go and take your time, bit of patience.
So we have results, ladies and gentlemen, and finalists confirmed all the way from 1 through to 8. And I can tell you that Mitchell Hewitt has now made 16 World Tree Championship titles. He is our winner, the World Tree Felling Champion. Congratulations, Mitchell Hewitt. Our reserve champion, Tree 2, was Brian Wagner. Into third place at Tree 1, Daniel Gurr. Rounding out our top 4 was Jake Hewitt. And as we continue down the line, we congratulate Josh Adamson, Joshua Bakes, Riley Sheehan, and Austin Scrivener. Neil, I'll let you grab a quick word with Mitchell if you can find him amongst that throng.
Thank you very much, Michelle. Yeah, well, I'm right down here beside Mitchell, and ladies and gentlemen, it could have gone to anybody on the day, and they all had the opportunity, all hard-hitting champion tree fellas. Mitchell, well, we'll say wham your ram home soil, but also British Columbia. It was your day today, this day, so your granddad, your brothers, your sons and family obviously very proud of you. So you obviously are chuffed and very pleased to what you've done right here at Sydney Royal Easter Show for 2026.
Yeah, absolutely. I knew I didn't have too many races left in me where I think I could win it, and I had to make the most of it.
And now I'll let you get your breath back, but did you find that the wood was good and a little bit of practice in the meantime, or on the day, flip a coin?
Flip a coin, yeah.
Give him a round of applause again. The new champion, ladies and gentlemen, tree felling for the world. We've got Mitchell Hewitt. Thanks, Michelle.
So from within all those congratulations, we'll ask each of our finalists if you would take the following few moments to join at the top of the arena for our formal presentations. So each of our finalists, all the way through every finalist, Mitchell, Brian, Daniel, Jake, Josh, Joshua, Riley and Austin. We'll ask all 8 of our finalists if they would separate themselves from all those congratulatory handshakes, make their way through for presentation. We'll let you return down for the glory after that. So we do have with us to assist with presentation today. It'll take a few minutes just to get everyone up there for you, Lucy, but we welcome Lucy Block, Sales Manager for Engie. Engie is using innovative technology to provide simple, affordable energy solutions. They are a great supporter of the Sydney Royal Easter Show and are naming rights partner of our main arena stadium, Engie Stadium. Don't forget while you're at the show to pop down to Cathy Freeman Park near Jamison Station to visit the Engie activation stand. And we thank Lucy for joining us to assist with presentations this afternoon. Now, tree climbers, we need 8 bodies all the way down there to the top. If you would make your way forward close so we don't have you too far from the podium. So Mitchell, Brian, Daniel, Jake, Josh, Joshua, Riley and Austin. Make your way up close, please, gentlemen. Wander the other way, Jake. Austin, Daniel, so I'm sure we have Mitchell close. Is Mitchell there close? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to ask Mitchell Hewitt to jump up onto the number 1 position. Put your hands together, please. He is returning World Championship winner, 325mm tree felling. Makes 16 times. He is our World Tree Felling Champion here at Sydney Royal. Congratulations, Mitchell. Lucy placing the champion sash the World Championship belt, the World Championship trophy, the World Championship cap. Take a moment to raise that trophy. Mitchell will get that one presentation photo. Our reserve champion will welcome him to the podium from Proston, Queensland. Congratulate Brian Wagner. Into third place, he chased them all the way. From Deloraine, Tasmania, Daniel Gurr. Into fourth place, rounding out our top 4 podium finishers. From Canada, we welcome Jake Hewitt, who just happens to have Dad up on the number 1 spot. And while Mitchell and Jake are there, we can tell you a little fun fact, a quick piece of trivia, that 40 years ago, Mitchell's father, Kerry, Jake's grandfather, won the tree championship here at Sydney. So 40 years ago, Kerry Hewitt was the winner of this event, and today he has his son and grandson up on that podium. So wonderful history. Into fifth place from Woodford, Queensland. Congratulations, Josh Adamson. From Sheffield, Tasmania. Congratulations, Joshua Bakes. From Zeehan, Tasmania. Riley Sheehan. And from Yarrowitch, New South Wales, congratulations to Austin Scrivener. So Lucy will ask you to join for official presentation photos. And if you would please, ladies and gentlemen, on just one more occasion, would you give a hearty round of applause to our new world champion, Mitchell Hewitt, and to all those World Championship finalists. And thank you, Lucy, for joining us from NG to assist with presentation.